Reading practice number 4. Dear Dr. Tate, colon, there are 3 good reasons why more than doctors in the state of Kentucky use the Lexington Credit Services paragraph. First, comma, we can facilitate sending bills to all your patients, period. Second, comma, we can take care of all your account problems, period. Third, comma, when patients are not able to pay their bills on time, comma, we can help them obtain the financing they need, paragraph. If you need this type of service, comma, Dr. Tate, comma, do not hesitate to get in touch with us today, period. Our address is 1-800 South Main, comma, Houston, Texas 77704, period. We will be looking forward to receiving your letter, period. Sincerely yours, comma. Reading practice number 5. Dear Mr. Kennedy, colon, since 1950, it has been a pleasure for our bank to serve the residents of Newark, period. As you probably read the newspaper yesterday, comma, our bank has just joined 7 other large banks in New Jersey to form the largest, comma, most experienced banking group in the area, paragraph. Exactly what does this mean to you? Question mark. It means that no matter what your company's financial needs may be, comma, you will be able to satisfy them right here at home, period. There is no need for you to go out of the city or out of the state to obtain adequate financing, period. Whether you want to borrow a small amount of money against your accounts receivable or a large sum to construct a new office building, comma, we can help you, paragraph. There are over 2 million depositors in the 8 banks in our organization, period. This gives us financial backing equal to any bank in the nation, period. Yet, we intend to maintain our personal approach to banking, period. We will handle all your financial needs in the same personal, attentive way that we always have, period. When you need our services, just call us at 555-1871. Period. Sincerely yours,